If you are a kind of a person who always tend to think like log kya kahenge, what will people think about us, and you always stop yourself from taking action, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to change the entire thing of log kya kahenge into different level. You realize that log was never into the picture. Those people who you thought would be judging you were never really the people who were judging you. Then if they aren't judging, then let's see who are judging us. So it's been quite a long time since I welcomed you on my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Anusha Kanikar. You can call me your friend, a coach, or maybe someone who can understand yourself better. So as I said, if you are a kind of a person who always tend to think that log kya kahenge and you don't take actions, then I want you to really tell me that those log that you were always thinking about when before you taking action, did they really come to you and said something? Most of the time you will see that none of those people come to you and tell you that you are certain things. They will never tell you. It is just your mind. It is just your mind perceiving that those are the people who will come and tell you. Just close your eyes and tell me who are those people. Just close your eyes. I know, let's say okay, let's do it this way. Let's say today you have one business plan, or you are a person who wants to apply to a certain job which is out of your comfort zone, or something that is that is different from your education, or you are a student and you want to opt for certain different kind of a program that you like, but people are not really interested. So just close your eyes and think yourself as either of one, depending upon who you are, and just now realize that who are those people. Who are those people? Can you see their faces? If you are able to see their faces, then just go a little beyond and ask yourself that what are they going to tell, what are they saying. And now just open your eyes and tell me in real that did they said something when you closed your eyes. If yes, then have you seen them in real life coming and saying the same things to you? Now this is where you have to realize this. If they haven't come to you in real life and tell you that you are stupid or you're idiot, or why you're going for something else when you could have done something better according to your education, then the reality is, when you just closed your eyes, right, you were able to see them and they said you something. That is not really them telling you. That is your own mind telling you those things in their faces. So basically, when you look into it, you will realize that these are not real people who are judging you. You yourself is the person who is judging you. I hope you are able to understand it, because this is very important and this has always kept me stuck for a very long time. I've always thought that if I do something, or if I really, because I have done MBA and then I left my job and then I got completely into my life coaching. Whenever I have to market myself, or whenever I have to proudly tell to the world that I'm a life coach, I'd always think that, oh, I have done MBA. What would people think about me? If I have done MBA, then I should go out in the corporate world and just do the work. But rather, here I am taking a complete break from the corporate life and focusing on my own business, calling myself as a life coach, doing something more than just MBA. Maybe they will say something about it. And just because of that, I was not able to openly share what I wanted. But when I really sat and asked myself that who are those people who are telling me those things, and I did the same activity, just I came across, and I realized that those were not the real people. Those were just imaginary people created by me in order to keep me safe in my comfort zone. So the judgments that you're talking about, what will people say, are not really the judgment that is coming from the people. It is coming from your own self. And when you know that these are the judgment coming from your own self, isn't it easy now to take actions? I know still it is difficult, but still, if you look into it, that the people who you thought are going to judge you are not real people, are not the real people who they are, but rather it's you who have painted it like that. And this is the reality check I want you to give yourself, and realize that there were never the people who were judging you. Most of the time, it was you yourself who was judging you in the face of them. So now, since you know that they are not real people, start focusing on how you can come out of those judgment of yourself. It's easy to come out of the judgment people throw on you because you can just ignore them, because you can't control what they can think about you. But when it comes to yourself, when you are the real person who is judging you, then it's really important that you know how to come out of that. So with this, I'm leaving you for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section what is the next video that you want me to talk about, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much. And if something has shifted in you through this video, please comment and tell me. I would love to know about it. Thank you.